Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you Emmet networking issue while installing React.js. This is my React src app.js. In app.js file, if I want to write some HTML tag like div, then Emmet not working here. Okay, for fixing this, we have to go to settings, then extensions, then Emmet, then include language. Under include languages, we have to add item. So click add item. Here item will be JavaScript and value will be JavaScript React React. Okay, make sure it item will be JavaScript and value will be JavaScript React. Then hit OK button, and if I go to app.js file again and write div, hit enter. Here Emmet work successfully. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video is helpful for you, then please subscribe my channel and like the video.